How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be mail call. And before we get this video going, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, I would not have a channel. You know, like I always say, it's free, guys. It's free. If you're watching, you're not subscribed, it's free. I don't ever ask you for nothing. I don't ask for money. I don't ask for nothing, guys. I just want y'all to enjoy the hobby. Watch, hit the bell, like. And if you are a model builder or an RC guy or Hot Wheels, figure paint, military, it don't matter, and you don't have a YouTube channel, it's not hard to do. And first thing I got in the mail, and speaking of getting started, this guy right here, the Plastic Buzzard Model Shop, old Thomas. This guy right here, he followed me for the longest time, and he asked me one day how hard it was to get started, and I told him that it's not really hard. So this guy right here, he's a one that, you know, I've helped get started, and he is an excellent guy, and his description will be in the link below. As everybody I mentioned in here will be in the link below. I always do that. I try to give everybody to where people can easily go down there and go to their channels and support everybody in the community. And thank you for the kind words on the back. I really do appreciate it, Thomas. And as soon as I get my cards finished, made up again, I got to get it done. I'm going to have to sit down sometime next week and get them done, daggum it, and I'll get you one out. Appreciate you, Thomas. All right, and the main thing this video is about, well, this right here. It's got a big old glare on it. There you go. Mr. RC Elf. He has struck again. Oh my God, I got this in the mail. And not only this, which is the Tamiya Sand Scorcher, I got a controller, battery charger, I guess that's the battery, a wire, and a servo. Oh my God. You know, I don't do RC. I don't have RC. I mean, a couple toy grade RCs out there that the kids had when they were younger. You know, and I support all my RC guys. And I've always, you know, when I was a kid, I always wanted this particular one. I'm a Volkswagen man. You can see I'm working on a Volkswagen right here. I grew up with Volkswagens. I've owned many of them all my life. And when I was young, I always wanted this. And never could get it, you know, couldn't acquire it. Parents wouldn't get it for me. Never could afford it. Man, I don't know what to say. RCL, thank you. Thank you very much. This will be my first endeavor into an RC right here. And Brent, Fern, Nick, you guys, y'all's going to have to help me out because I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I can paint and build the body and do all that stuff, but the rest of it, y'all's going to have to help me out, guys. And I'm going to leave a link in the description for them guys below, but oh my God. Thank you. This is like Christmas in August. I just get back from New York seeing my grandbabies. Best thing ever. And boom, look what I got. I'm thankful. I can't thank you enough. Matter of fact, let's open this thing up. I've never, ever had an RC. Let's open this thing up and see what's in here. And you can't go wrong. It's a big old Tamiya kit. It's a big old model kit that you can play with. Let's see here. You know, I'm doing it like a model kit to where I want to save the plastic. But I don't know how long that'll last. Let's see. Let's open this. That thing's a beast. Man, that's set up just like my big 12 scale Tamiya kits. It's all in there just like that. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. That's probably too much for me to do an unboxing on, and I'm sure somebody out there has done it. But oh my God. Look at that. Oh. I'm in heaven right now. Thank you, Mr. RCL. Oh God. I don't know. You know, guys, I don't know what else to say. But dang. What is this? This must be parts of it here. Let's see if I can get it open. Let's see. Oh, gotta have a hobby knife here. I don't know what that is, but it's wires. Boy, this is gonna be fun. I'll tell you what, when this Volkswagen right here is done, this is probably gonna be the next thing on the bench. It'll have to be, because I don't know. This is awesome. Thank you, RCL. Man, words. I don't have the words, guys. Random act of kindness. That's what I gotta say. That's what it is. Random act of kindness. I tell you what, this community on YouTube's awesome. It don't matter if it's a model cars, you know, if it's the RC guys, if it's the die-cast Hot Wheels, you know, this community is just awesome. One more shot of it, guys, before I end this. Like I said, go check out Thomas. I mentioned Brent, Venture Time, Fern, Fern Solo, Nick, RC Nixter. I'm going to leave their descriptions below, y'all. Y'all go check them all out. Man, what else can I say, guys? Thank you. Bye.